Welcome to Meliora's channel, your go-to place for C# and data analysis tutorials, products hands-on demos, and insider secrets to keep you at the cutting edge of innovation. Our goal is to break down complex tech topics to a level that you will easily understand to supercharge your skills. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Hello, welcome back to Meliora's channel. In today's video, we are going to now take a look at the ToUpper function and then ToLower function of string manipulation functions within C#. So the last video we did, we tackled the replace function and the compare function. So we are going to skip the toString function. We'll come back to it later. But in this particular video, we'll start with the ToUpper function and cover also the ToLower function. So let's get into it. If you click on the ToUpper button here, as usual, if you come over to this side where the codes are, you see the ToUpper button, and then you identify the click event. This is the click event, and that is the click event handler. So you right click and go to definitions in order to jump to where the handler is. So the handler is here. You can see there is nothing there, is empty. So we will start now to populate this handler, so that when you click that button, the handler will then toggle the string involved to uppercase or to lowercase. As usual, we will still use our first name and last name control elements. So when someone enters the first name and then enters the last name, then the two will be concatenated into a full name with a space in between, and then we then apply this ToUpper case, the uppercase function, and it should turn everything into uppercase for that full name. So as usual, we start with our tbox full name dot text, then we say it is equal to the tbox first name. Now we use our substitution method as usual, so we put the double quotes and then put a $sign in front to indicate the substitution approach. And then inside the substitution, inside the quotes, we then put the two curly braces. And the first one, we have the tbox first name dot text as usual. And then in the second one, we have the tbox last name dot text as usual. And then in between the two curly braces, we just put a space so that there will be a space in the full name between the first name and the last name. And we have it. So we have the full name now captured within tbox full name. So the next thing we just do is we go to the next line, and then we just say whatever the case of that, irrespective of whatever the case of that full name, we want it to then be converted to uppercase. So we use ToUpper, and then braces, and that's it. So it will just convert whatever we've done to uppercase. So let's run it and see what it gives us. So it's compiling at this moment. Yeah, it's right here. So as usual, the first name defaults to Bernard, the last name defaults to Eze. So because you see there are lots of lowercase characters in first name in Bernard, and then also in Eze the last name. So if I click the ToUpper, then the expectation is that the full name Bernard space Eze will be displayed here, and then it will be then converted to uppercase. So in fact, what I need to do really, okay, let's just do that so that you see what, so it does this. Which one did I do? Is it ToUpper or ToLower? ToUpper. Okay, well, it doesn't seem to be working now, so let's go figure out what the issue is. But it doesn't seem to be working. So let's go back to the code and check what's going on there. So to upper, or is it uppercase? No, it's upper. So T-box full name. Oh yeah, we just issued this without assigning it to anything. So that's, again, this is the real life experience. Sometimes you just do things and you don't properly finish it. So the issue here is that we've actually done that conversion to uppercase, but that result, that outcome was not assigned to anywhere, so you did not save it. So to save it now, we want to save it in T-box result instead of even the T-box full name. So let's leave the full name the way it is and put this thing in T-box result.text. So so now if we run this, then we now go and click ToUpper. Where is it? ToUpper. So now it's going to display here. The result is going to display here. So Bernard space Eze should be displayed here, and then the converting everything here to uppercase will now be displayed here. So if you do ToUpper, and that's it. So that's exactly what has happened. So Bernard Eze, first name, last name, then the full name is displayed this way, then this full name is then converted to upper, which is this. So that is it, ladies and gentlemen, for ToUpper, conversion to upper case. Now, in this same video, let's just progress straight to converting to lowercase, so which is using the lower to lower button. So if we go out of this, and then we look at the lowercase. So again, we just do the same thing with pretty much almost like the same thing we did in the uppercase. So to the T name dot text equals, we do the substitution approach, and in the substitution approach we put a $sign right in front, and then you put the two double curly braces. Then you take the first name dot text, and then take the last name T-box last name dot text for the second one, and then you just put a space in between so that you have a first name space last name, and then you put it in the T-box result, dot text. You convert everything to lowercase, everything you have in the T-box full name to lowercase. So IntelliSense is very powerful, so it actually completed the coding for us. So T-box result.text will now hold the T-box full name.text, but all converted to lowercase this time. So again, if you run this, you will find that the outcome is going to be exactly opposite the outcome of the previous one we did, which is the ToUpper. So let's run it. So again, first name Bernard is there with all small letters except the B, and then Eze is there with all small letters except the starting A, which is capital. So when you click this, the expectation, when you click to lower, the expectation now is that Bernard space Eze will be here, and then everything will be converted to small letters and written to this place. So again, when you do this, that's exactly what you get. So Bernard is here, and this Bernard is has now been converted to all small letters. And that's exactly how we expect the outcome of this ToLower to be. And if you click ToUpper, it goes back to capital letters. If you click ToLower, it switches back, back and forth. And that's really the way we expect both ToUpper and ToLower to be working. So thank you very much. We've come to the end of this video. And in the next video, we'll take a look at how the append function works within the string manipulation arena. So thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks, and bye for now. Thank you for watching, and if you learned something new or enjoyed this video, be sure to show us support by clicking like and subscribe. Your support helps us to bring you even better content. So stay tuned for the next exciting video. You can also click the link below to see other free and paid videos on other exciting topics. If the click did not work, kindly copy the link and paste on your browser. Thank you, and see you in the next video.